This is in a Toyota Corolla. What happened is he bought the car. It didn't come with any type of remote control to lock and unlock your doors. For those who are looking to get a keyless entry installed, you got to make sure your car has power locks by having this type of switch here. If you have power locks, and then I can go ahead and install the keyless entry. If you don't have power locks and your windows are manual and you don't have this button here and your car is all manual, and then we're going to have to install the motors inside the doors, and that's a whole different ball game. But if you have this switch and you have power windows, your car is equipped with power locks from factory, and you do and you're a good candidate, so we can install the keyless entry. Locks your doors. We went ahead and also hooked it up to the horn, so in case you're far away, you will know if your car is lock and unlock. And then of course you got the panic button, so in case you forgot where you parked your car in the parking lot, you can fire off the panic button. This is a keyless entry upgrade to this Toyota Corolla. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we do have kits for any other vehicle that you may want to do that has power electric door locks from factory, but you don't have any remote controls, or you'd had a remote control that came from Hyundai, or from Kia, Hyundai, or any type of vehicle that you have from Toyota, and it doesn't work anymore, and you go to the dealer and they really want to charge you a lot of money for a remote control. We can go ahead and install our keyless entry kit, which will do the same thing. As a matter of fact, it will probably even be better because we have a high gain antenna that goes inside the vehicle that gives you a length of a football field that you can lock and unlock the doors and fire the panic. So that's a way to take care of that issue in the event that your keyless entry went bad on the vehicle, or you didn't have one from the beginning and you wanted to add one. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.